Ever noticed how some characters in stories make mistakes that lead to their downfall? Sometimes it's because they are too proud, and other times it's just bad judgment. But what is the difference between the two? Hubris is extreme pride or arrogance, a belief that you are better than everyone else, even the rules of nature or fate. It is when a character thinks they are untouchable, invincible, or beyond consequences. In stories, hubris often leads to disaster because the character refuses to listen, learn, or admit they are wrong. Take Icarus from Greek mythology. He ignored his father's warnings and flew too close to the sun, believing he could defy gravity. His wings melted and he fell to his death. That hubris in action, thinking you are above limits only to be brought crashing down. Now, what about hamartia? Hamartia is a fatal error of judgment, a weakness that causes a character's downfall. Unlike hubris, hamartia doesn't have to involve pride. It could be anything from jealousy to impulsiveness to misplaced trust. Hamartia is more about human imperfection. It's relatable, tragic, and often unintentional. Think about Shakespeare's Othello. Othello's hamartia isn't pride, it is his insecurity and jealousy. Manipulated by Iago, he becomes consumed by doubt and mistrust, leading him to commit an irreversible tragedy. His flaw wasn't arrogance, it was his inability to see through lies and control his emotions. So here is the key difference. Hubris is about excessive pride. The character believes they are superior and refuses to accept their limitations. Hamartia is broader. It is any mistake, whether it's pride, jealousy, ambition, or ignorance driven. To put it simply, hubris is one type of hamartia, but not all hamartia is hubris. In Macbeth, for instance, Macbeth's hamartia drives him to murder for power, but his hubris kicks in later when he starts believing he is invincible, ignoring clear signs of danger until it's too late. See how both concepts can overlap but also stand alone. Why does this matter? Because understanding hubris and hamartia helps us see why characters fail and what we can learn from their mistakes. Hubris warns us against arrogance and overconfidence, while hamartia reminds us that even small mistakes can have big consequences. Together, they show us the complexity of human nature and the importance of self-awareness. The next time you're reading a book, ask yourself, are they being brought down by their pride or by some other error of judgment? Because sometimes the most memorable stories aren't just about heroes and villains, they are about the flaws that make us human.